Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to hide your mobile hotspot from your Wi-Fi networks. For these settings, you have to open settings on your device. Then you have to click connections and click to mobile hotspot. Then turn it on and open it. Then here you can see configure option. Click to configure option and click to advanced. Then scroll down and turn it on. Hidden arrow, turn it on. After turning it on, your mobile hotspot name will not be appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. Friends, that was the video topic. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.